Always, guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, hit that bell to be notified for future videos. Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome back to the fish tank. I am Cole, and today we are working on this Tootsie Toy wannabe Mustang for our DIBS build for June 21st, the OPA celebration build. And today we are going to take this little car and we are going to restore it to its former glory. Guys, before we move on to the video, I just wanted to say I miss you, OPA. You were a good friend. You did a lot for me and this community, and you will be truly missed, but never forgotten. Alright, guys, with that said, let's go on with today's video. As I said, guys, before we begun with today's video, we are working on this Tootsie Toy for the OPA celebration build, and the casting I went with today was this wannabe Mustang. It kind of looks like a Mustang, but it really doesn't look like a Mustang. I really don't know what to call it, but we're going to get started. And how we're going to get started today is by taking off the wheels. And how I'm going to do that is using my Dremel. But as you see there, it exploded in my face. So always remember, safety first. But we have decided to put a bigger drill disc on, and it cut through our axles right away. And it made our life a lot easier. So after that, you be very careful and take off your wheels. I was not. The axles were very, very hot, and I did in fact burn myself, which sucked, but I had to get the wheels off anyway, so this is the best we could do. Once our wheels are finally off, we are going to move to our chum bucket portion of the video, and we simply just threw it in there and shook it up. That paint really, really needs to go. Alright, guys, welcome back. So what we did here is we started cleaning and polishing our little Tootsie Toy casting. And what I noticed is the body lines, or the casting lines on this car, look how thick these are. And I can tell you right now, those have to go away because that just looks butt ugly. All right, guys, we're gonna take some time and fix this, just because that just looks like someone just clumped diecast onto this car. Wow, I've seen some bad body lines before, but these are probably top 2 for the worst.
Meanwhile, back in the fish tank.
So after getting all that cleaning done, we have moved on to our paint stage of our build. As you see here, we also went ahead of ourselves and started to detail out the car. We did the grille, the taillights, the bumpers, and the headlights. So we did a lot here, and then after we let this dry, we did end up clear coating it, which made it look very, very cool. So now you guys see here, I am playing with a bucket of soapy water, and what we're doing is cleaning the original wheels. I was thinking about putting repop wheels on this build, but I just thought I did that last time, and honestly, it kind of took away from the car, in my opinion. I think just giving it the original wheels back is the best idea for this car. As you see here in the pictures here, or the video, my bad, you could see that there's a little bit of green on these tires. There was paint or something on these tires, but I was like, I could easily paint over this, but I'm not going to. I really like it. It kind of gives it like that feeling of how it was, and it keeps that character around. So guys, after this, we are going to check out what we started with. I'll see you over there. Guys, after we reassembled our wheels for our DIBS build, the Celebration of Opah Invitational, I wanted to bring us back to where we started. And if you guys remember, this is where we started. It was a very, very rough Tootsie Toy. Pretty much left for dead. The paint was all gone. The wheels were covered in paint. The axles honestly were the best thing of the whole casting. But today, we took the time to rebirth this casting. We repainted it, gave it the details it deserved, put the original wheels back on, and brought it back to life. Alright guys, I want you to take a second, a moment of silence for our friend Opal before we see our final results. Thank you. Let's go see our final results. And here is our final results for the DIBS tribute to Scott Opal. So guys, what we did here is fairly simple. We gave it a brand new paint job. We did the details. We clear coated it with a shiny clear. And we put the original wheels back on it to keep it as original as possible. Guys, thank you very much for stopping by the fish tank. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for whoever took part in this month's build off. Scott, we miss you, my friend, and we will all see you very soon. Thank you guys for stopping by, and I will see you in the next one.